In order to load frequency files into your EM272B, you need to use the compiler. Click the Compiler button on the main menu page. On the compiler screen, there are two lists. On the left is a list of categories. On the right is a list of frequency files in those categories. The A to Z All Files list is an alphabetical listing of all the files and all the categories that the software provides. It's several hundred entries long. These other categories are broken down into structure, tissue, or condition. There's a wellness category. These are general wellness files that have been found to support or provide support for various health-related conditions or structural conditions. For example, we have hip support, knee support, lower back support, neck support, emotional support, respiration support, sleep, wrist support, etc. If we select a file, we add it, then this is actually a compilation file of several files that have all been compiled together. So when we add it to the spreadsheet here, it's only one file. The compiled files is a list of ready-made compilations of files that contain several files. For example, let's select concussion, click Add, and these are all the treatment programs that are in the compiled file. We now need to select a number of repeats. If you put 0 for repeats, then the list of treatment programs will play through one time, and then the EM27B will turn off. For example, the play order is the first file will play for 10 minutes, the second file will play for 30, third one 50, and so on until it goes through one time. If you were to put 2 in the repeats field, it would play through this list of files once, and then it would go through them again 2 additional times. So you would actually be going through this sequence of files 3 times. Then the device would shut off. You can have a maximum number of 255 repeats, and the number of minutes needs to be less than 999. In your compilation, we have 210. You try to do over that amount, you'll get a warning. These are the number of rows added up for all the treatment files in this compilation. We can now press Transfer Treatment to Device and it'll load the EM272B. We'll select John Doe, select name, and now it's going to switch to another screen which shows you that it is loading the files into the EM272B. And when this is completed, you're going to see the list of files you loaded and the spreadsheet for each of these files. Here's the compiled file name, concussion. Here are the 6 files loaded into it, and whichever one is selected, the spreadsheet is displayed below. These are the separate rows and frequencies in those rows in this treatment program. If you click any of these other rows, it will reveal the spreadsheet for that file. And that's how you load treatments into the EM272B.